kg loss. I have to be honest, I was hoping for more given all the exercise, but I didn't really count the calories that I ate this week, and I did give in to a second hangi and the kumara and the stuffing. So I'm not surprised with the 0.5. I reckon give it a couple of days eating right, I should be back on track. So. Right now cooking tea. Kind of like a fettuccine without the chicken, you know. Making breakfast, running a little bit late because I slept in and Makiri is still asleep. Little boy's up, brother's at Noho, just sorting out lunches. Waiting for the train.
Between sugar and cartoon breaks, and if I was hurting, that was the remedy. I wasn't ready. Shit.
So
no one prepared me. Was that kid in that bedroom? Now I'm up in the galaxy. Hey, I don't know.
Okay, fine. I just got home from boxing and chopping up the harure. It's very sharp. Why don't you make the jelly? Alright, give me 2 minutes, okay? I yell out to you in 2 minutes.
I'm gonna watch you.
Okay.
Oh.
So just chopping up our veggies. Tafari's here. Want to say hi so they can see you?
Hi.
How was the noho?
Good.
Good.
Pēhea te kōrero pē, brother?
Good.
Te whai kōrero. Ia ha koe?
I go to school.
Stood up and talk.
I
E
go
hāngai koe i te kaupapa i whakahara sau kōrero ko pāpā?
I go to school.
Pēhea nā kōrero ngā tangata?
I go to school.
I know.
You need to ask me.
Oh, how was your school?
Good.
What did you do at school?
I play my doll and play my the doll Moana.
Did you play outside?
Yes.
Did you play princesses? Because Ari had her crown today and you had your wand. Getting ready this morning. Breakfast, well, lunch boxes, breakfast and coffee. Oh, need it. Boxing tonight.
How many people are involved?
Just finished boxing, waiting for the bus. Did some drills in the ring tonight, a bit of bag work, a bit of conditioning. Just waiting to go home. Train station strike today, so roughed it by driving in and getting the park that cost like $22 for the day. But I'm going to have to leave early and pick up Pet. So that we beat the traffic home and then hopefully make it back through traffic for judo. So fun. Work right now. And taking a quick break to get some food. Kids. Now, I've got 3 kids, 12, 8 and 4. Now they like to eat fruit and everything that's not veggies, kinda. But they've been eating our keto food, so I've been making jellies. I've been buying lots of strawberries as snacks, bacon. They eat it all. I bought 2 punnets of strawberries and the little boy has eaten both of them. And I made up jelly for me and Hammer. They ate every single bowl, like every single bowl that I've made, they've had.
Oh, where do we go? We come to the end of the road, and sometimes it's better to know when to give up before we get caught in a rut. I try to hold on, but look where the loving is gone. We fight until we get turned on, but things left unsaid won't get fixed in the bed. Cause the sun don't shine like it used to. There ain't no call. Girl, you know our love is fading.
So you gotta go down to Countdown in Johnsonville, the one on the mall, on the side of the mall, attached to the mall, and get milk chocolate Aikens bar. I think I got it for special for $2. Legit big, like this is all that's left because I smashed it. Legit tastes like real chocolate. It's actually quite a long and thick bar. It's real creamy, and the carbs are 2.3 grams. So the same amount of carbs that is in their low carb bars that we have all the time is how much is in that chocolate bar, which tastes like real chocolate. I'm gonna get one for like every day because it tastes awesome. So go down, Countdown. Actually, most Countdown should have it, but you know, try it.
Hi, Mommy and Daddy. It's clever.
So Miss Makere has a sōpuku. So we're at home today. We were meant to go see Auntie Yezi and Baby with Auntie Ngā and Te Rangi Hauhiri, but yeah, we don't want to give Baby and Auntie Yezi any bugs. So we are home and I have just vacuumed pretty much half the house from top to bottom, and just got to do the ceilings. I'm sweating, but yeah, just cleaning the house, trying to think of things to do. I should actually do some work. I've got something due before Monday, so I've got to give that. But yeah, Miss Makere is not very well. So you know how I talked about the chocolate? Well, these, which are in every supermarket, there's protein, choc, fudge. You can get like peanut butter, you can get brownie, you can get white chocolate and raspberry cookies. This particular one, choc fudge, is 2.4 grams of carbs and 0.8 sugars. So yeah, in total 2.4 grams of carbs and 261 calories. So not too bad. That's for one serving. And some days I feel like this rather than a low carb bar, like today. Oh, I'm making up my song. Thank you very much.
Now, I'm at the put your mouse. And I'm at the thing. But do your mouse. I put the button. I put the button and I see you, Mommy. So, to go, I party I go.
Oh yeah? Are you going to a party?
No, do you want my mum?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to party girl.
Oh, we should come home and watch a girl movie. We gotta go swimming soon, eh?
I got my real one, Mommy.
You feeling better? Remember you had a sore tummy yesterday?
I'm better.
Oh, good. Go cheers. Where's your spoon?
Wait.
Go cheers. Oh, you want to take a big one? Cheers.
It kills me to know how much I really love you.
Taste like lollies.
So much I wanna to you.
So the kids are going to get a haircut with their father. I'm sitting in the car waiting. But just finished swimming lessons. And it's really sunny and lovely outside. But I thought I'd better confess my sins, which seems to occur weekly at this stage. On Friday we had a kaitahi and I could not control myself. My willpower was very low and I regretted it immediately after. Not like the other times, but I had lemon slice. Not just one, but two. There was some happiness, immediate happiness, and then immediate regret. Oh my gosh.
I think so. It's pretty?
Messy? Pretty messy?
No, it's cute.
It's not cute.
Yes.
Who told you that? No, you can be a mustache.
Like this.
Can't get you off my mind. I tried so hard to find a way to stop these thoughts from creeping in my